Have you created an online course, or are you thinking about creating an online course this year? And if you have created one, or if you are thinking about creating one, have you thought about how long you should promote your course? How much effort should you give to promoting it? Well, in this video, I'm going to answer that question. How long should you promote your course? Stay tuned to find out more. I teach entrepreneurs how to build their businesses. In each video, I give 2 or 3 tips to help you overcome a specific issue that you're facing and how to overcome that issue. First of all, the online course platform is growing at an exponential rate, and you should have one and you should get in on this. And the hard answer about how long you should promote it is forever. But a few things that I've learned is that you have to create momentum fast and hard. So you want to create some kind of marketing strategy to make sure that your course is found by the right people. And you don't need that many people to make a decent residual income. So let's talk about a quick marketing strategy. You should be planning for the long haul, and that means that we're playing the long game. And assets usually bear fruit over time. So if it takes off the first time, that's great, but don't plan on it. Expect it, but plan as if it's something that you'll invest time into, and yes, sometimes a little bit of money, right? If you won't invest in yourself, why should anyone else? Now, I would say the short answer is about 6 months. So you want to set up a strategy and you want to pay for some ads and see what your revenue is. Now, if you don't make a certain amount by a certain time frame, then you can scrap it and try something else, or you can simply try another approach with the same product. There are tons of ways to promote your course, and if one didn't work, then try another. I created some videos all about how to launch a product and the different type of product launches, and I will link to that in the description of this video. Now, each week you want to post your main piece of content at the beginning of the week. In the middle of the week, you want to post a reminder with a link to your main content or an alternative piece of content in another modality leading back to your original content. Now, at the end of the week, you want to do a recap or a summary, and again, the link back to the original content. And then you want to follow this up via email if they're on your email list, or create a way for them to get on your list. You could simply create content geared only towards what your course covers, and then you can link to your course with each piece of content. And you want to do this for 26 weeks, right? And every 4 weeks, you can take a look at your statistics, you can take a look at your analytics, and then you can course correct and adjust what you need to adjust, and then go at it again with your adjusted strategy. Now, if after 26 weeks your course does not bear any fruit, it will be your choice to either scrap it or to try some other way. And once you see something is working, you want to double down on that. Now, if 6 months is too long for you, as long as you have a specific strategy, you could do it for, say, 3 months. This way you could possibly create multiple products. And my advice, my recommendation is to just stick with the one until you find what works and then double down on that. Now, going the free route would take much longer than paid ads will, but it's still valuable to do it because of search engine optimization. It still works. So if you're going to go the free route, you should be on every possible channel that you can afford to be on and have the time to create for. I hope this video helped. Take care. See you in the next video. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what your #1 issue is with starting your online business or launching your idea, whether it's marketing or getting ideas together or selling or creating products. Let me know your #1 challenge down in the comments. I want you to join the private Facebook community where I drop other valuable information outside of these videos, and you can ask a question or leave a comment about anything. I also sort of go over a few things more in detail from these videos, and you can join that group of like-minded entrepreneurs at facebook.com/groups/content mastery creation, or you can just click the link in the description. Probably should click the link in the description. Check out the All Access membership where you can learn step-by-step different aspects of your online biz. And the links to everything that I mentioned in this particular video will be in the description. Please guys, subscribe and hit that bell so you'll know anytime that I come out with new videos that can help you in your business or with your online ideas. If you want to learn how to confidently build your online business from scratch and you don't know where to start, then you can go to bit.ly/startnowonline. One last thing, if you want to get to know me better, like behind the scenes on how I put this stuff together, the processes I use to create books and music and things and that I do with my family, online courses, then check out my vlog at bit.ly/journey to win with the number 2. Or just check it out right here on this channel, right there under my vlog, or you can just go to mariorivers.com to learn more about me. Take care. See you soon.